This might not resemble a splendid dish from some poncy high-end tavern in Solitude, and that is because it's bloody well isn't. It's proper peasant grub. Think of it as a lasagna's rugged cousin, only swapping the pasta for good old taters. This hearty fare can easily feed a family of 4, or perhaps a band of surly Nords after a scrap with a frost troll. The recipe hails from Skyrim, or more precisely from the official Skyrim cookbook. Let's whip one up, shall we? Fair warning though, mine has a few upgrades. Here is the raw loot. 1 pound of minced beef. None of that fancy stuff, just good old honest cow. A box standard onion, not in the original recipe, but I reckon it's a cracking addition, so in it goes. 1 leek. White beets only, don't be fuffing about with all those green ends. A couple of carrots, 2 should do the trick, unless you're feeling giant. Some spring onions, another rogue addition because I'm a rebel in it. Garlic, 2, 3, or maybe 4 cloves, that depends on how much you fancy warding off the vampires. Tomato paste, none of that preservative-laden rubbish, this one is as pure as maiden steer. Sweet peas, because I couldn't find plain ones and I'm not trapped into oblivion for them. 2 russet potatoes, that'd be about a pound, give or take a few ounces for bartering. An egg, fresh from the hen, not the dragon. 2 tablespoons of flour, nothing fancy, just a regular fluffy dusty stuff. Mushrooms, an upgrade of my own devising, adds a cheeky 5k DPS to your damage over time, perfect for smarting drugger. Half a cup of double cream, of course, because we are not savages. A glug of olive oil for frying, keep things slicker than a thief in Riften. Salt and pepper to taste, like a proper jarl. Half a cup of beef broth, homemade and rich as coffers of the Thieves Guild. Alright, let's get to it. The secret to a cracking goat's pie is preparing and cooking everything separately before you bung it in the oven. Why? Because different beads need different heat, like forging a blade in the hearthfire finest smithy. No shortcuts here, focus up. Step 1. Chop like you mean it. Slice and dice your veg like you're carving up a bandit's chief. Leek, hacked into tiny bits. Carrots and onions, I always saute them together, must be my secret Eastern Empire roots showing. Mushrooms, well, they're fun guy, not veg, but solid they go in anyway. Spring onion tops, chuck them up because I believe you like them. Potatoes, dice them small, they'll boil faster than you can say fasaroda. Oh, hang about, this one got a dodgy bit. Quick surgery with a knife and we are sorted. Garlic, mince it fine and none of that garlic press nonsense, too much gets left behind. Slice it thin, give it a good fork smashing, economical, you see. Step 2. Cooking chaos. Right, everything prepped and within the reach. We are juggling 3 skillets in a pot, so no faffing about. Keep your wits sharper than the Daedric dagger. Mushrooms in their own skillet, medium-low heat. Flip them off and they're slippery little buggers. Onions in another skillet. Chuck the carrots in once the onions turn golden as septum. Leek and garlic in the third skillet, low-medium heat, nice and gentle. Potatoes boiling away in a pot. Don't overdo them or you'll have mash before they're ready. Keep an eye on everything, stir, flip, and don't let it burn. We are after flavor here, not a vitamin-obsessed soup. Leek and garlic finish first, soft and fragrant. They go straight into the bottom of the casserole dish like a foundation for the Dwemer ruin. Step 3. Beef and beyond. That skillet is free now. Time to fry our minced beef. Medium-high heat to evaporate the water. Season it with salt and pepper and let it sizzle. Meantime, whisk that egg and mince some dill while we at it. Helps with magic recovery, don't you know? We are multitasking like a mad thane here. Meat's sizzling, water's gone, and now we are golden. Stir in the tomato paste, spring onion tops, flour, and that half cup of the beef broth. Mix it up proper like. Step 4. Layer in the legend. Back to the casserole dish. In go the carrots, soft as the bard's serenade. Then sweet peas, followed by the beefy goodness. Step 5. Mash mastery. Potatoes are done, softer than mud crab's underbelly. Mash them up with the cream, butter, egg, salt, and pepper. Oh, and a sprinkle of a Nord seasoning, another gem from the cookbook. Not the original, but it gives a spicy kick worthy of the Stormcloak. Don't know how to make a Nord seasoning? Check out the first video in the playlist. Now, spread this glorious mash over the top. Fancy some sharp cheddar grated on? My upgrade boosts stamina recovery and adds 5% of weapon and spell crit. Proper Tamrielic power food. Step 6. Into the fire. Ovens preheated to 190 degrees Nord, that'd be 370 for you Imperials. Bung the dish in for about 30 minutes or until the cheese melts and the crust goes golden. Don't let it burn, mind you, we will be scrapping charcoal fit for a blacksmith forge. And there you have it! A Goatherd spice straight from Skyrim, pimped up with a few extras. This beast is downright scrumptious. If you don't scoff a lot in one go, slice a serving the next day, pop it in the oven for 15 minutes, and you're good to go. Just like lasagna, but with more grit. Enjoy your magnificent adventure, and I might catch you in the next one. Cheerio, and may the talus guide your fork.